What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So it's time to do the battle of the cameras. This was a highly requested video. The LG V60 is a fan favorite. A lot of LG fans said that they got very good cameras on this device, which I don't disagree. Well, we got the new kid on the block, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is supposed to be the win-all, be-all when it comes down to cameras. Well, let's put it to the test and see which one is King Supreme. So in this video, I'm going to do daytime only. On this channel, I always do two separate videos. I do a dedicated daytime video and a dedicated nighttime video. But this video right here is all daytime. So let's go on and do the battle of the cameras between the LG V60 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And guess what? I got the rag to wipe the camera lens, so it's no excuses. That's what I'm talking about. Let's have some fun, camera style. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. I got the LG V60 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. A fan request. I mean, this was a highly requested video from a lot of you guys. And yeah, let's go on and roll with it. So I'm in my park and I'm walking, and this must have happened like yesterday. A whole tree fell out. So a whole tree fell out, and yeah, so I can't walk that way. Wow, look at that. Gee whiz, like I said, it must have just happened. So let's go on and walk this way. Optical image stabilization on both devices. And I got it handheld so y'all guys can see the optical image stabilization or lack thereof. You be the judge for yourself. All right, so let's go on and see if we can zoom in. Let's see, we got the tire over there. Let's go to zoom in on the LG V60 and see, there it goes. We got, wow, that's 10 times zoom on the LG V60. And let's see if we go 10 times zoom on the Galaxy Note 10 Ultra. There we go. So you be the judge for yourself for looking at that footage. All right, daytime only. I'm gonna do a dedicated nighttime video, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, there it is, right? Let's see about the focusing and the details. See the tree right there, look at the details. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. But look at that. All right, so one of the biggest problems we had with the Galaxy Note Galaxy S20 Ultra is it was poor focusing, right? I mean, the focusing was bad, really bad, right? But they fixed it on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, right? But I'm still getting some focus issues here and there as y'all guys look at this video. Just keeping it real, people. Wipe the camera lens on both devices, but I mean, it is what it is, right? I'm trying to do my best to keep it as steady, but hey, it is what it is.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
All right, so this is the front-facing camera of the LG V60 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All right, so let's go to the walk here and let y'all guys see. I tell you what, right now I can't even see the display. It's so bright out here today. So just want y'all guys to see this. You be the judge for yourself for looking at this. I'm gonna go into that sun and see which device is going to take care of that sun. All right, as I'm getting into that sun. All right, yes. And let's see if it fixes it. As I pan around, boom. There it is. You be the judge for yourself. Again, I'm gonna go audio from side to side. And hey, it is what it is. This is Eric, the tech preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Y'all guys, leave y'all comments down below. Let me know which one is King Supreme. Woo! See you guys on the next video. Peace.